Two simple counting questions on the same tree. First, how many nodes are there in total? Second, how many of them are leaves, meaning nodes with no children at all? On our tree, there are 5 nodes altogether, and 3 of them, the 4, the 5, and the 3, are leaves. Let's count both with recursion. Both counts follow the same recursive pattern. For the total, an empty node counts as 0, and any real node counts as 1 plus the total of its left subtree plus the total of its right subtree. For the leaf count, an empty node is again 0, a node with no children is a leaf and counts as 1, and any other node just adds up the leaves of its 2 subtrees. So we walk the whole tree once for each question, letting the recursion add everything up for us. The first function counts every node. An empty node is 0, and any real node is 1 plus the counts of its 2 subtrees. The second function counts only leaves. An empty node is 0, a node with no left, and no right child is a leaf and counts as 1, and any other node just adds the leaves found on its left and right. Let's write both counters and run them on the sample tree. The total count. An empty node is 0, any node is 1 plus the totals of its 2 subtrees. The leaf count. A node with no children is 1, otherwise add up the leaves of its subtrees. Now let's test it and hit run. There they are. 5 nodes in total, and 3 of them are leaves, the 4, the 5, and the 3, each of which has no children of its own. Here is the leaf logic. At a node, if it is empty, it counts as 0. If it has no children at all, it is a leaf and counts as 1. Otherwise, we add up the leaves found in its left and right subtrees. Each count visits every node once, so the time is order n for n nodes. The extra space is the recursion stack, as deep as the tree is tall, so order h the height of the tree. 3 reminders. First, a leaf is a node where both the left and the right child are empty, so check both. Second, the empty node returns 0 in each counter, and that is what stops the recursion. And third, keep the 2 ideas separate. The total counts every node, while the leaf count only counts the tips of the tree.